This video is about a new idea to build houses. So what you're looking at here is a house frame made out of J-Porings. So you can see from the bottom to the base, all you have to do is just make a slab for your flooring, and then you can build everything including the column type area out of J-Porings. There you can see that the trusses are made of the actual product J-Poring. Then you can clad it in with cement board or whatever covering that you like, but this is one of the fastest and the cheapest way to build a home. The good thing is they are now here in Cebu City. Their main office is in Manila, but their plant is now made in Cebu, in Naga City, Cebu, by the way. See, you can see the frame, the actual frame allocated for a window. You got the lentil beams made out of J-Porings as well. Even on top of your doorway, the lentil beams is made of the same material, J-Poring. So I was so interested in this product because I am into building, as you know, and there we are always looking for new and innovative products that could help us with our build, making our build cheaper and faster. So they also come with pre-cuts and pre-stud ready type of J-Porings. And you want to know the price of this one? The base price will be around 7,000 per square meter of your house. So you have to calculate how big is your house, and the 7,000 per square meter for the framing of J-Porings like this. So their plant is now located, their Cebu office is in AC Steel Industries. They are located in Barangay Lower Pangdan, Naga City, Cebu. I will visit their office so I could feature it more, because this is only a display here, so we cannot really see the expand of the actual framing of the J-Porings for an actual house or an actual usable place. Because sometimes it's not really convincible to see this on just the display booth. But look at the trusses up there. Now, if you are buying just the per length of the J-Porings, like the 6-meter long one, it starts from 411 pesos. Of course, you can go for the thicker ones. And they also, the AC Steel also has other metal products like the playing sheets, corrugated sheets, and of course the steel deck. I know a lot of my followers are really asking me how much is this steel deck. They are on the base price for this one from AC Steel is 600 per square linear meter, not square, linear meter. And also they got some C-purlins there in different width, starting from the 2x3 up. So this is the name, AC Steel Industries. And you can contact Mr. Martin Joseph Dantes. He is the marketing manager for AC Steel Industries. For more information, his number is, hang on a minute, 0917 728 2256. Again, Mr. Martin Joseph Dantes, and his mobile number is 0917 728 2256. And you can also follow them in their Facebook page, AC Steel Industries. But I know a lot of you would like to talk to a person, of course, and that's Mr. Martin Joseph Dantes you have to call regarding their different products. They got GI sheets, C4 lins, light gauge steel framing, in which I was there showing you, and the steel floor deckings and fence tubes. And again, they have their plant and warehouse now here in Cebu Island, city of Naga. So I will be dropping by their office to promote them more, because I will be buying a few from them for my own needs of my development.